Good afternoon, and let us start now. The time is exactly 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Okay, so time format. Today is Tuesday, the first day of our class for final. Okay, so we are done already in our midterm, so we are now in final, and we will have 3 chapters in this time. So the first chapter is about length, and the second one is about mass, or let's say weight, and the third chapter that we'll be discussing in this final is about multiplication. Okay, so I hope everybody's ready now, and here we go. Another question. It's very common to you. Are you ready? Alinta is always ready. She's smiling. Okay. Now, I hope everybody got your attendance already. If you haven't, just comment in this video later that I'm going to send to you. And okay, my name is Teacher Gwapo, and I'd like to remind everybody to stop writing on the screen while the class is going on. Thank you. You got it? Thank you. Okay. Since we are now in chapter 3 is about length in your book. So if you have a book with you there, you can open your book, and we will be discussing about measuring length. But before that, we have a short review when you were in grade 1. How do we measure length? Okay, so this is the book that we are using. I have my the textbook with me here, primary 2. Okay, and this is the workbook that you have there in your hand, right? So Teacher Gwapo is using 2 books, the textbook and the workbook. And this is the content of your book. In chapter 1, we have numbers up to 1,000. In chapter 2, addition and subtraction within 1,000. And we are done this already, right? We are finished with chapter 1 and chapter 2. And now we are in chapter 3 about length, which is we will be focusing about measuring length. Okay, measuring length. So we will focus in measuring length. Okay, thank you, Ploy. Okay, now in this chapter we will not stay long in here, because later I'm gonna show you some videos about measuring length, and these are the objectives that we have in this chapter. In number 1, we have to measure the length using meters and centimeters. And then number 2, to compare length in meters and centimeters. After we measure, we will compare. And then after we compare, we have to solve word problems on length, and we need to apply knowledge to daily life. So we have only 4 objectives in this chapter. But we will expand more. We need to learn more, not only based on the activities that we have here. Okay, so maybe this girl is Alinta. You know this girl? Alinta, maybe she asked her mom or her aunt, how do we measure the distance between each ride? Maybe Alinta loves to ride here, okay, in roller coaster. So how do we measure in the distance between each ride? And then her mom replied, we measure by meters or centimeters. Okay, we measure by meters or centimeters. So let us have a short review the vocabulary words that we have here. When you were in grade 1, we'll learn to these words, long. Okay, what is this word? It's long. How about this? Short. Long and short. Okay, long and short. We say Alinta has a short hair. Alinta has a short hair, and Ploy has a long hair, right? Ploy has a long hair. And how about this word? What is this word? Longer. Okay, longer. So we can say that we can use the word longer by Let's say, for example, Ploy has a longer hair than Alinta. Ploy has longer hair than Alinta. How about this word? What is this word? Longest. Very good. Longest. The first word we have here is long, and then longer, and then longest. Can you say it in Thai? What is long in Thai? What is this in Thai? The word long. Long means let us call base. Maybe base can answer for us. Okay, base.
Yao.
Yeah, very good. Okay, when you were in grade 1, I taught you about the word long in Thai, and this is yao. Okay, how about longer? Longer. What is longer in Thai? Let us call punada. Pun.
Punada.
Longer. What is longer in Thai?
ยาวที่สุด
Are you sure?
longer แล้วก่อนนะคิดว่า
Longer.
ยาวก
Long
ว่า
is, again, please.
ยาวกว่า
Yao kwa. Very good. Long means yao. Longer, yao kwa. How about longest? Thank you, Ponada. Thank you. Okay, let us call Alinta. Longest.
ยาวที่สุด
Yao tisut. Very good. Long, longer, longest. So in Thai, we say it as yao, yao kwa, yao tisut. Okay. How about this word? This word is short. What is short in Thai? Anyone who can help me? We can call AG. AG, can you tell me what is short in Thai? AG, are you there? AG is here with us. AG, can you help me? What is short in Thai?
AG.
Okay, what is short in Thai?
Longer in Thai ว่า
ยาวกว่า
Again, the word short, 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 short.
short อะไร shorter ใช่ไหม shorter
Long means yao, longer, yao kwa, longest, yao tisot. How about the word short?
short สั้น
สั้นกว่า
Short
อันนี้
means
คำนี้ short
sun.
คำว่า
Okay,
short คือ
short
สั้น
means sun. Okay. Thank you. Just short because sun. Okay. How about look, what is the word shorter? Shorter.
ยาวกว่า
Are you sure?
สั้นกว่า
Sankwa. Sankwa. Thank you, Lukshub. And let's try to find some student from other class, maybe 2/1. Who is from 2/1 here? Try. Let's say try. Can you open your microphone? Okay. Shortest. I mean shortest.
สั้นที่สุด
Santisot. Very good. Short, shorter, shortest. Sankwa, santisot. Very good. Now, here, look at the length of the fish. Okay, so look at the illustration here below. Okay, look at the illustration below and here. Okay, this illustration, it's just a short review. Okay, a short review about length. Okay, on how to measure length. Because in our earlier classes, when you were in grade 1, you learn how to compare numbers. So before we will compare, or we will study more deeper about length, let us have a short review. So now look at the fish. There are 4 fish in here. Okay, fish A, fish B, fish C, and fish D. Again, fish A, and what is this? Fish B, and this is fish C and fish D. Now you can see here the ruler. Okay, this is the standard unit. We use your standard unit here. So we have the fish A is 12 cm. Okay, 12 cm. Cm means centimeters. Okay, centimeter, or we say centimeters, 12 centimeters. And fish B is 8 centimeters. Okay, 8 centimeters. How about the fish C? Fish C is 20 cm. Cm means centimeters. Okay, centimeters. And fish D is 15 centimeters. Now here, let us try to answer here. A, B, C, D, and E. Now be ready, because I'll be calling your name or your number. Okay, and you will answer these questions, these 5 questions. And we have a tricky questions here after the 5 questions. Now I asked already, Alinta finished already, Try is finished, AG is finished, Lukchub is finished. Let's try to give chance to some of your friends here. Now, may I call on Yipon? Yipon, hello, good afternoon. Can you unmute your microphone? Okay, good. Now, Yipon, can you tell me the answer in letter A? Blank is the longest fish. What is the longest? Fish A, fish B, C, or D? Sorry? Okay, the answer here is fish C, right? As you can see here, the fish C is 20 cm. So fish C is the longest. How about letter B? Thank you, Yipon. Thank you. Now let's try to find from 2/1. From 2/1. 2/1, and then I will ask from 2/2 and then 2/3, so that everybody can, or we have a representative. From 2/1, who is here? We got a problem because your name has no class. From 2/1, yeah, Pertat is here. Okay, number 36. Okay, Pertat, can you tell me your answer, letter B? The shortest fish.
Fish B.
Fish B, and let's try. It's correct. Very good. Very good. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Pertat. Thank you. Now for letter C, fish A is blank than fish B. Oh. Now this one is, we will use the word that we studied a while ago. Okay. We studied the word that we studied a while ago about comparing numbers. I saw here Crit a while ago. Crit, can you tell me your answer in letter C? Crit, hello, Crit.
Hello.
Okay. Can you tell me your answer in letter C?
Letter C.
Yeah.
Fish A is longer.
Fish A is longer than fish B. And now let's try if your answer is correct. Crit says that fish A is longer than fish B, and your answer is correct. Very good. Okay, longer. Okay, longer. Okay, thank you, Crit. Now letter D, from 2/3. We will call student from 2/3. Who is student from 2/3 here? 2/3, 2/3. Nawa is here. Nawa, hello, Nawa. Can you tell me your answer, letter D? Hello, Nawa. Go ahead. Fish A is longer than fish B, and how about fish D is blank than fish C? Go, Nawa. I will give you 5 seconds to answer letter D. 5, 4, 3, 2. Go Nawa. 2, 1, and time. Sorry, Nawa. Let us give chance to your friends. It's okay, Nawa. Okay, it's okay. It's okay. Maybe next time you can give me an answer. Now let's find another from 2/3. His name is Thanks. Thanks. Hello, Thanks. Number 20. Can you tell me your answer? Letter D. Fish D is blank than fish. Go, Thanks.
Shorter.
Again, please.
Short.
Shorter is, fish D is shorter. Very good. Now, if you will look at here, fish D is shorter than fish C because it's only 15 cm. Thank you so much. Thanks. Very good boy. Very good boy. Thank you. Now here, how about in letter E? Now, blank is longer than fish B. Now here, if you will compare, if we will compare fish A and fish B, fish A is longer. So we can write here fish A. Okay, we can write here fish A. Or if we'll compare fish B and fish C is longer. And fish D and fish B is longer. So we can say it here that fish A, C, and D is longer than fish B. Okay, so we can say it, fish A is longer than fish B, fish C is longer than fish D, and fish D is longer than fish B. So we can give 3 answers in here. Okay, now here, let us think. Okay, let us think. Do you think there is anyone in the world who is less than 1 meter tall? Do you know your height? What is your height? How tall are you? Let us ask here. Maybe. Is Milin here? Hello, Milin. Good afternoon. Hello, Milin. Milin, can you tell me your height? How tall are you? How many cm?
Milin สูงเท่าไหร่130 130นี่ต่อ130 teacher ถามแม่บอกว่า how tall is you 130นี่130
130.
Okay, thank you, Milin. So Milin is 130 cm. Thank you, Milin. So Milin is 130 cm. Now, the question here, that do you think there is anyone in the world? Okay, this is talking about the maybe kids or maybe the people. Okay, talking about the people. Do you think there is anyone in the world who is less than 1 meter tall? Now, I will tell you that 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeters or cm. Okay, centimeter means centimeter. okay, centimeters. Now, Milin is 130 cm. So therefore, Milin is taller. Okay, taller than 1m. 1m is only 100, right? So Milin is 130. So Milin is taller. Now, do you think there are some, or can you see people who is shorter than 1 meter? Maybe some of you. Maybe your brother. How tall is your brother? How tall is your sister? Is your sister taller than 100 cm? Or your brother is taller than 100 cm? If they are shorter, that means they are, or they it says here that, do you think there is anyone in the world who is? Yes, there is. But this afternoon, I will show you, this is the shortest, okay, the shortest woman in the world. Wow, shortest woman in the world. Do you still remember when you were in grade 1, I told you that in Guinness Book of Record, there is the shortest woman in the world. It's like more than one ruler, right? More than one ruler. Do you still remember her? Who can remember? Raise your hand. Who can remember this woman? Boss, do you remember this woman? No, you forget already? How about Mitang? Mitang, do you remember this woman? Maybe this woman is 27 or 28 years old now. 27 or 28. Who remembers this woman? Nobody? Oh, you forget already. How about Bass? Bass, do you still remember this woman? Yes or no? Yes or no?
No.
No, you forget. This woman, now let me tell you that this woman is from India. Can you see her? She is 27 or 28 years old now. 27 or 28. I'm not sure, I forget. Look at her. She is very short. And as you can see her, she's like a Barbie. She's like a Barbie. Can you see her? Right? She's like a Barbie. Wow, very short, right? It's like, it's not real. It's not like a real human. Now look at her. Do you know this man? This is Michael Jackson. And this is the girl, the shortest woman in the world. And she became very famous due to the Guinness World Records book. So if you will find this woman in the Guinness Book of Record, you can see this woman, the shortest woman in the world. Okay. And this woman, when she met the shortest man in the world and got to know this man, she felt very, very happy. But sad to say that this man is now dead. Okay, this man is now dead, but he is the shortest man in the Guinness Book of Record. But this woman is still alive. This woman is still alive until now. But this man is already dead. But now there is a new shortest man in the world. Can you see him? Okay. It's like only two rulers, or not more than two rulers, maybe 59 centimeters. Very short. 59 centimeters. This man. Okay, 23.62 inches in height. Now this afternoon, I will show you a video about the woman from India and this man from Philippines, the new world record holder of the shortest man in the world. This man is from Philippines and this woman is from India. Okay, now let me show you. So this man is only 23.62 inches in height and Jyoti is 24 inches. So therefore, this man is shorter than Jyoti. Okay, this man is shorter than Jyoti. So thank you so much. See you again tomorrow. This book, we will do it tomorrow. Mathematics Connection, we will answer the one. For today, no need to answer this book. So we will do it tomorrow. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you for watching. God bless. I will send it to you, the video later. Bye-bye. Thank you. Thank you. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Thank you for listening in our class today. I hope you learn from me. Bye-bye, everyone. See you tomorrow.
Bye bye.
Tomorrow, okay?
Bye bye.
Bye-bye, everybody.
Bye bye, teacher. Bye bye. Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye.